Good morning. Today we are going to do some C++ program on user-defined functions. Let's go to the question. First, we are going to do a C++ program to find the reverse of a number using the function reverse number int, and we should pass the number to be reversed as an argument to the function reverse number, which is an integer data type. Let's see the program. First, we are using an void data type, which is the reverse number, and we are giving the integer variable as b. Then inside the main function, we are declaring a and r as integer data type. Then the output enter the number is displayed. Enter the number is displayed. Then we are declaring another, then the data from this is saved as an argument in this void data type as reverse number, which is in b. Then it enters into the while loop, which is when b is not equal to 0. If it satisfies this condition, then it enters into the loop, which is the following formula gets executed. Let's see the output of the program. First, we should enter the number which has to be reversed. The reverse of the number is displayed. Let's move on to the next program. The next program is to find the factorial of any. We should find the factorial of any number using the function find factorial, and we should pass it as an argument to the function as find factorial and display the result in main function. We should display the result in the main function. Let's see the program. First, we are declaring a void data type, which is the find factorial integer type n. Then we are declaring an integer type f, which is the value of f is equal to 1. Then it enters the for loop. Inside the for loop, we are giving certain conditions. If it satisfies these conditions, if this condition gets executed, then the value of f is equal to f into I. Then this output gets executed. Then this output is stored into is taken into the main function as int n, and the output is stored inside this function, this main function. Let's see the output of the program. Let's enter the number. The factorial of the number 24 is displayed. Let's move on to the next program. Next program is to find all odd and even numbers between and given intervals. That is, we should give some intervals, and the number of odd and even numbers between the intervals should be displayed. That we should pass the two integer which represents the starting interval and ending interval as arguments. That is, we should pass two data types, integer data types. One is stating when one should state starting interval, and the next should state ending interval as arguments to the function, and display the results in the same function. So let's see the program. First, we are giving the void data type find odd even numbers, and then we are giving an integer data type as s and f. Then it enters the while loop, which the condition for the while loop is s is less than or equal to f. Then if it satisfies this condition, then it enters the if statement, which is s modulo 2 is equal to 0. If this is satisfied, then this output is delivered. If this is satisfied, this output is delivered. If this is satisfied, then this output is delivered. Then we are going into the main function of the program, which is we are declaring two integer data types s and f, which in which the s represents the starting value and f represents the final value. Let's see the output of the program. Let's enter the starting value. Let's give it as 1 and the final value. All the numbers from 1 to 50, the number of all the even and odd numbers are displayed. Thank you.